That'd be cool, and if there was just a bridge just went far. Oh! Oh! No, I saw yours, but holy crap. Why is there so many things on my bench right now? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. As you can see here, we are in the garage, and yeah, you guys are in tune for another banger, I'd say. So yeah, me and Landon were able to get out on the water again. As we come July, I mean, the pike fishing offshore is getting a little slower, and like earlier on in the season, like just right off of ice fishing gets pretty good. No vegetation's growing in, but now that there is vegetation, they're a little bit more finicky, they're harder to catch offshore. But I mean, yeah, soon I'll be able to hopefully go out in the canoe, go out farther, do some topwater fishing. Me and Landon were able to get out about a week ago in the evening, and we did pretty good. Earlier on in the video, I was trying to catch some pike on the big old swim bait. This thing has been chewed up, as you can probably see there. Like, yeah, but you know what? I lost like 3 fish and I wasn't able to catch them. Fish on. No. Grab the net. Yeah. Oh, come on. But I mean, yeah, other than that, a lot of the time this season we were catching them on spoons. This is the like golden orange, and then the flaming orange is the other one. It's like it's basically the 5 of diamonds, but it's like chartreuse. So it's basically like this, but just chartreuse. And yeah, those are the 2 colors that have been working really good this season. One of the other things too, I thought was pretty cool. I found these 2 spoons I found, and they were all gross and just like, they were pretty much a trash spoon. But I put them on the grinder, and I mean, now they're shinied up again. We're going to use that soon too. I put a hook on this one, but yeah. I mean, yeah, other than that this season, I mean, I tried catching them on, like we did earlier on, we did good on jerk baits. This is something I want to try later on this season, umbrella rig. That'd be kind of cool. Try to catch them on that. I used, this is a whole different video of me using this. That'll be coming out later, hopefully sometime this week. Sometimes, you know, simplicity is the best thing for catching pike, you know. Spoons just work the best. And I mean, yeah, me and Landon had fun doing it, and that's pretty much it. I think you guys are going to enjoy this one, and yeah, here's the footage. Works the root beer, it's sounding pretty good right now. Well, during the week, it's super... Did you cast fire, didn't you? Are you trying to one-up me, bro? Catch 19-inch walleyes, he says. Maybe you're right. No, he's too little. Wow. It's like in his gill plate, dude. Move your gills. You silly boy. Okay, I'm confused where this is hooked. Making the kind of love we make. Oh, there we go. We're gonna get him right back. Well, he went upside down. Okay. There's fish. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you know what happened last weekend? Or I think it was 2 weekends ago. I was out here and I was packing up and leaving. And then I couldn't find my pliers, and I was like, where the hell did I put my pliers? And then I kind of like saw this shiny thing in the water, and I realized it fell in the water. And what happened when I lost my Really?
Yeah, it fell. I was at like this east on the rock, and I looked in the water, and there was a silver chain.
Yeah.
And then I was like, yo, I found a chain. And I was like, yo, that looks like my chain. I looked on my chest.
So you didn't lose it, you got it back, right?
Yeah, I got it back.
Yeah.
It just like fell off somewhere.
Yeah, and then like I don't know how these pliers, but they like slid and they were like right there, and I was barely able to grab them. Like my shirt got all wet, but I got it. So we're okay. No, I don't know how on earth it actually managed to get in the water, but it did somehow. No! Wait, did he snap me off? Oh, phew.
No, it flew back.
Wait, bro, was that big? I couldn't see it.
I didn't see it.
Broskies. Landon. I thought it was on. Yeah. I thought it was weeds. That's why I kind of felt, and I set the hook just in case, and it happened to be a pike. When in doubt of whether it's a rock or bottom or weeds, set the hook. Yeah. I always find you just feel weight with walleye, and then when you feel like weight or...
You'll just be sitting there, and then all of a sudden either your line will go slack.
Yeah, slacker.
Or it'll just be like, you'll like go to dig it up, and there'll be something.
Yeah, no, that's like literally always what it is. Oh, there's one. There we go. I don't think so. It's not amazing per se. Oh, it's not amazing at all. It's wrapped around his face. Dude, why am I catching the dinker? Oh, he's foul hooked. That's why. You know what? I'm sorry. Oh, whoops. I'm just gonna...
That's like the exact same stuff as the last one.
Oh my god. Okay. Broskies. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, there we go. We got off. I could not grab that thing. Like, I can't get my finger in his gills. And then I can't grab him. Well, at least the spot's pretty good. Yeah, they're starting to get slimier. I don't want to get too close to the water though, because then if I drop my wallet in there or phone, well, that would not be good. Remember, Landon, after every fish, check your knots, check your leader, because the last thing you want is to have it undo your snap swivel for however. Are you doing your snappy chatties, Landon? You had photos, huh? What time is it? 8:53. I don't think my mom even knows where we are, to be honest. Come on, Mom. Not knowing where I am. I'm where the fish is being caught. That's where I am. Going? Throw on the net? Look at that dinker, dude. Wow. Do you want a net?
Huh?
You want a net since he's small? Hey, Mom. That.
Oh yeah.
Can you get out?
I guess so. I don't know.
Landon had a fish on. Landon had a fish on, but then it just went in there.
In the dark hole.
Oh man.
Nice one, Landon.
It was a great line. I think he can.
Yeah. Well, you'd see him splashing if you could. I just thought after a while there wouldn't be anything else to do, because like whenever we're there, there's not like many people.
Yeah, but he's not. I'm not sure.
There's a fish.
I know he's not
grab the net, Mom? Can you... Mom, net. Mom, net.
Okay, so he bought Doris's.
Yeah, but he uses it as like a storage facility.
Okay, that makes sense.
He just like keeps his stuff.
Does somebody live there in that house?
Not anymore.
Okay. I remember that Doris's wasn't very nice when I went in. I don't know if it was a different lady years ago, but
She sold them to her husband.
okay.
I don't know how some stuff is still in business. No one ever goes there.
I don't know if she just.
I think she just does it because she's
I think
bored.
she just does it. Yeah, she owns it, I guess. I don't know if she just gets her stock in that place.
Hello.
We used to go there occasionally.
We always go there once a year.
Yeah. Well, you have no
I feel like you're gonna catch it.
Oh, geez.
Where, over there? Like on this side still?
Where was it?
Oh, okay. Oh, that was, he freaking hammered me. Oh, I didn't get a hook set though, because it just hit the water. Come back, buddy, come back, come back. That'd be cool, on if there was just a bridge just went far. Oh! Oh! No, I saw yours, but holy crap. That scared the crap out of me, Mom. Oh, okay. That didn't count. No, I was looking at... Bro. I saw that. Because I was looking at you as I was talking. I could tell you were focused on something. Yeah. Rip, dude. I was leaving. For what it's worth, though, like, I'm looking at my recording, and, like, oh, I had one there. Holy. Every 3 or 4 minutes we have one. Yeah. But will it rot out before they die is the real question. I don't know. I think they'd die like after like a day or two. I don't think the hook would like. Are you sure? Don't? Dude, that's a. Dude, your rod's a. He's jumping though. Do you want a net? Okay.
Oh, I got him ran like a stomach. That's why. See it?
Yeah, I see it. Well, it's like putting him on a leash basically. He's gonna want to run.
Yeah, this is gonna be hard to get him.
Okay, here, I'm gonna go over there.
He's probably gonna pop up.
Yeah. Oh, I like these rocks over here.
No wonder why it felt like it tanged.
Yeah, it's like literally putting a fish on a leash. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, he's out. Here, let me get the spoon.
Oh, Nathan is tied again. 3-3.
Oh, crap. I'm gonna let him go for you and hold him.
I gotta touch it, buddy. Alright, we're good.
Landon's fish.
So the net's been handy then, Nathan?
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Little fish. They're tiny.
Mom, is this good? Any lower and I'm gonna drop my wallet or something weird. Good stuff, Landon.
Karma, Nathan. That's karma. He is big. I don't think he's big.
Look at that little dinker.
It's like average.
Landon still catches dinkers.
Nathan, that's karma right there.
Actually, here, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna take it on the nice deal side.
This is the biggest one of the day.
You unhooking them yourself? I think or you know.
You have your good camera.
Yep. Do you need me to do it? Bro, he just hooked himself again because he keeps.
Oh yeah.
Where are the gills? You got him?
Of course. Always.
Okay, bro, we're gonna get all these. Oh yeah, there we go.
You have good lighting right now.
Okay, stay there. Boom.
That's a nice picture.
Yeah, it should be good.
We'll put them in nice and graceful.
Nice and gracefully, he says.
Oh yeah.
Crap, I made fun of Landon and he caught a fish.
I think that's 4-3 now.
And that's pretty much gonna wrap up the fishing for this video. Me and Landon, we did pretty good. I mean, I was able to get some strikes on camera, which is always good because we were in a little bit of a hot bite there. I mean, sometimes when you're not catching fish, you'll just start recording whenever you get one on. But I mean, getting the strikes on camera, that was awesome. We got some good footage. I mean, yeah, just beautiful night. Great being out with Landon. Good conditions. That's always what you want when you're fishing. And yeah, Daiwa CC80, spoons, Berkeley or lightning rod. That's what had done it again in this video. Soon, I do want to get a Corrado DC and possibly a Gene Loomis rod, but that's just down the line. But I mean, I do want to upgrade because we love pike fishing at that bridge, and I mean, having a DC would be pretty sweet. But I mean, yeah, that's still down the line. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to check out some other videos, I will be linking them at the end of the video, and you can just check them out. We got a lot of bangers, and hopefully more to come. I don't start working again until next week, so I'll hopefully be able to edit some more stuff. Yeah, if you want to help out that YouTube algorithm, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. I'm always checking the comments to see if there's any questions. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.